Well, the sun gray, we gon' shine. Let's pound it, boy.
Welcome back. My hands. Let me get some lotion. Hold on. Welcome back to Glasshouse Mya. You know nobody fly. If this is your first time watching, hit the subscribe button. Okay, subscribe to the channel. I do hauls, I do fashion, and a little life things here and there. Anyways, can't be coming on here and don't look at the nails. We're getting those done, but can't be coming on here ashy. But anyways, this video, you know how you be seeing those unboxing videos. So I ordered one of these extra cheap. It's only $2.52. Unboxing mystery box from SHEIN. It was $2.52, and then like the shipping and handling of course was like $3. So I paid $5 something, maybe $4. I don't think it was $2.52 when I bought it. I think it was only some cents. But anyways, one of them has arrived. So I'm gonna open this one and you won't see this full video until I get the other one. I ordered them at the same time. I still haven't received the other one. So I don't know how that's gonna go. But it is a blind box. Can't return it, okay? Can't exchange it, can't return it. So it's just a blind box. Randomly sent is what it says. It's factory unsold factory unsold goods, large quantity clearance. So basically, it's just like a warehouse where they're clearancing out items and getting rid of items. Now they show in the pictures, you don't get a whole pallet, okay? I don't even think you can order a pallet. No, you can't, because it has a limit of only ordering 2. So y'all ready to see what these people sent me? I don't know what I'm getting, but we both gonna be surprised right now. So boom, that's the first one. This is the package. Now just among shaking it, I think it's a bottle of perfume. I have not opened this yet. I think it's a bottle of perfume or some type of liquid something, because the weight of it, it doesn't feel lightweight. But let's just get into it. Let's just see what these people done sent me, what I done paid. Let me see what I actually paid before I open it. Hold on. Let me go back to my SHEIN order. One moment. We're going to see what I really paid for this and see if it's worth that. Now it was the quick shipping, so I don't think it was quick. I'd say not. I think it was like regular shipping, probably like a week and a half. So it didn't really come any quicker than a regular SHEIN order. So let's see what I paid for this one. A total of $6.65 for this package. That's including the shipping and everything. So what do y'all think it is? Comment down below before you see it. My kids are screaming if you can hear them in the background. Hey, chill. Nope, I was wrong. What is body juice, you guys? Body juice, strawberry shortcake, handcrafted body oil. Body juice. That does not sound like something I want to put on my body. Body juice. So this is ingredients are water, strawberry extract, jojoba oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. So the ingredients sound pretty natural and good. There is a warning. Please clean your hands before use to ensure the best results of this product. Discontinue use if you have signs of irritation or rash occurs, and store in a dry place. Okay, let's open it up. This is hilarious. This is what I paid for. Now, they be scamming. I figured it was just going to be one thing in the box, but the way they show in the pictures is really misleading. Like you're getting multiple items in a box, and that's just not what it is. So be aware of that. You're going to get one item, and it may not be something you want. So this is the body oil. I'm just going to say oil because saying juice just don't sound right. That's how it looks. So it looks pretty decent. Let's open it up, see what it smells like. See if it smells like a... Okay. So it's broken. You can see the... you can see the thing in there. I don't think it's broke. I just think it... Yeah, it does not smell like strawberry shortcake. It doesn't have a scent, really. Yeah. It doesn't have a scent at all. But this is the front of it. I'm going to try and put this thing back on here. Yeah, I'm going to have to dry my hands. Yeah, it has no scent. Yeah, it doesn't have a scent at all. So I don't know why they got strawberry shortcake on here. Because it literally smells like nothing. Like, it don't even smell like oils. I mean, let me test it. I'm going to go get something so I can dry my hands. And then I'm going to rub it on the back of my hands and let y'all see. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so got this back in here. It just popped out. It wasn't like broken or anything. But this oil, you can see it's not like it looks lightweight, but when I just wiped it off, it feels a little thick. I'm gonna try not to waste it on my mouse pad. I'm gonna rub it right here. I just put a little drop here. Put that back in there because I don't want that dripping. But y'all see it? So it's kind of thick. Like, it's shiny. Yeah, it doesn't smell. But it give you a nice shine though. I don't know how long that's gonna last, and this is the only part of my body I'm gonna put it on just in case. But I'm not too worried about... Y'all see that shine? Hey, this might be something I start incorporating when I need them legs to be shiny. When I need these tattoos to shine. Okay? That doesn't look bad. It doesn't feel heavy. But that shine is on there. That shine is there. I don't really need the shine right now. If something happened to my hand, I'm just joking. I don't think anything's gonna happen to my hand because I done used all of these oils before. Jojoba oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. So I don't think it's gonna do nothing. Strawberry extract. Don't smell a lick of strawberry, anything. But this is me rubbing it off, and it still has like a subtle shine to it. I'm just trying to dry my hands. So that's that package. I really thought it was going to be like a bottle of perfume, but I knew it was something liquid. So I hope I'm going to check your comments and see what you thought was in this mystery package. But this is it, child. The body juice. I'll come back in the next video with the next one. But if you like seeing mystery packages like this, I don't know if I want to wait a week and a half to receive this. But it was fun to buy it for cheap and see what they would send me. You know, they could have sent me a party toy or something like that. But I'm glad it's something I can actually use. Because I'm going to use this. I keep trying to smell it because I want it to smell like strawberry shortcake. And I'm sad that it doesn't. But, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. It's your girl, Glasshouse Mya. I will see you in the next one. Peace.